Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Pooja here, and yes, I'm finally starting some new content on YouTube. You will be seeing a lot more videos like this in the coming days. Honestly, at first I was so confused about what to post. So I thought, why not just start with something real, something we are actually doing right now? So here it is, our little IKEA adventure. We went to IKEA to buy a bed for my kids, my 6-year-old Purvik and my 2-year-old Vian, and I decided to just take you along with us. So here we are, wandering around IKEA asking where the kids' beds are. They told us section 7. That's where all the kids' furniture is. On the way, we've also found this amazing adjustable table. It can move up or down so you can even work while standing. I loved it. And right beside it was this super cute little sand clock that totally caught my eyes. Then came the tricky part, choosing the bed. We were debating between a bunk bed, a sofa cum bed, or maybe a different level single bed. Purvik was running around testing everything like a little bed inspector. We also saw a few beautiful setup kids' bedroom at IKEA. They looked amazing, but for now we are keeping it simple. We just picked up the essentials, the bed, the mattresses, and the pillows. And now here's a little game for you. Can you guess which one we finally chose? Was it bunk bed, sofa cum bed, different level single bed, or a normal king size bed? Tell me your guess in the comments. I will reveal it in the next video. Okay, bye bye. Take care.